Today we talk about how can you enable caution and insights notifications on your Samsung Health app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for us a list like this, and you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down, then all you have to do, you just come to caution and insights, and you click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's my caution and insights notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.